Hey, Dr. Don Colbert here, and I'm excited about our Keto Hydrolyzed Collagen. You see, what I did is I took primarily chicken collagen, but also some marine collagen, so that we got all 5 key collagen ingredients, the type 1, the type 2, the type 3, the type 4, the type 5, so that we get the anti-aging benefits, the skin, hair, and nail benefits, as well as the joint support that is so important that usually comes mainly through the chicken collagen. I formulated our Keto Hydrolyzed Collagen because I wanted all the collagens, the type 1, the type 2, the type 3, the type 4, and the type 5, but I wanted a lot of that type 2 collagen for joint support. That's why I combined the chicken collagen cartilage, which is primarily mostly type 2, but also marine collagen, as all the other types of collagen, because of that joint support. Now, again, we have 3 different flavors, chocolate and vanilla and unflavored. But again, my favorite, I love the chocolate. I enjoy the vanilla, but the taste is absolutely delicious. Most collagens taste terrible, okay, but this collagen tastes really good.